Welcome back everyone. Quickly, I want to show you a trick how to hide your OBS icon from the taskbar. You will only be able to see it in this system tray right here. So let's go and do it right now. You head to your OBS studio. At the right bottom you are going to see settings. Click the settings, a pop-up will show up. Go to the general and scroll down to this system tray. The name for it is system tray. Only in the system tray right here is where we want to have our icon. We don't want it to display in our taskbar right here. So you are going to click enable. When you click enable, and always make sure that this thing at the bottom right here is enable also. Always minimize to system tray instead of taskbar. So click this to option also. So when you click apply and OK, you are going to see when I minimize now, can you see now we are not able to see the OBS icon at the task menu again. That's what I want to show you guys. As you can see, it's now at this place. This is system tray. So that's what I want to show you guys. And if in case you don't want it to hide, you can click the OBS again, go to the right bottom settings. You are going to click the settings, then the pop-up that show up, go to the general, search for look for system tray. Inside the system tray, just click enable like this again. It's going to disable the system tray. It's going to disable the function we clicked before. So when we click apply and click OK, when we minimize now, can you see now we are able to see our icon again. So but I just don't want to be seeing it right now, so I'm going to the system tray again to click enable. So when I click apply, just have it on your mind that it is on the system tray section. It's not any name that you can be familiar with easily like that. So and what I already have is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Bye bye.